Your data just got a massive upgrade. The all-new Power BI dashboards are officially here, packed with faster insights to supercharge your day. Get an instant 360-degree view with our summary customer, quote, and CRM dashboards. Track live wins on the recent sales page, or dive deep into detailed sales to instantly analyze years, months, trend lines, and commissions. Plus, easily spot growth opportunity using the brand new customer comparison dashboard. More visibility, zero clutter. Log in and explore your new workspace today. Welcome to the new Power BI dashboard. We've added pretty much all data in the TTS side onto these pages. Notice we have multiple tabs at the bottom: customer data, quote data, CRM data, recent sales, sales data with trend lines, monthly year to date, as well as a customer comparison. At the very top, you'll have your filter section where we can choose the date ranges that we want. We could choose different salespeople, different group areas. Anything that's been built into TTS will be selectable up here. Then the next section in the main dashboard, we have summary boxes. So it'll give you the total sales, quoted dollars, number of activities, CRM activities, for instance, active vendors, active customers, and interactive boxes. So as I scroll down, you'll notice we have sales by customer and vendor. We have quotations by customer and vendor. We have recent sales by customer and vendor by CRM activity. And these are interactive. By selecting or hovering, for instance, it'll give me the total amount for this particular customer or vendor, wherever I am on the screen. If I click on it, notice at the top, it'll actually change this summary just by maneuvering around inside here. The different tabs will give you different reports. So as I go through each one, we'll have our quotation dashboard. Again, we have our filters at the top, and all this data can be shown right on screen, but you can interact with it. Again, by hovering or selecting, you can choose what you're looking at. CRM data. Again, anything that's entered in the system will show up on here. So basically what Power BI does is brings all this data into one simple interface. Our customer dashboard will show you everything, and then moving all the way to the end, which is new for all Power BI reports, is going to be a way to view your customer comparison. So on one screen, very similar to an Excel spreadsheet, for instance, we have the customer's name, we have the salesperson, rankings. So we can weigh our rankings based on this box up here. So if we want to rank sales heavier than quotations, we can change these numbers on there. If you don't have any CRM data, for instance, I could put 0 in here, and then the system will automatically weigh that based on this ranking up at the top. But all in one screen here, we have our percent quote conversions, quotes, quote counts, one lost, CRM information, as well as sales information, all on one screen, easily viewable. And of course, this can all be dumped to Excel if we need to, export your data, and we can manipulate this data outside of the TTS side. So one of the most requested features for our Power BI since the last revision is the ability to print out these pages. So what we've done is we've added an export as well as a view. So let's go over that. So export will allow you to save the current view or all views, and we give you the formats of PDF, PowerPoint, and image. So by selecting each one, you will get that particular format. And then we can choose all pages. And for image, you choose one page at a time. So for PowerPoint, if I wanted all pages to come up in a PowerPoint presentation, we select that, choose export. The system will start the export. It could take a few seconds, and it will give you a status of what's going on in the background. And we've also included the ability to save the current report, like we've done on all other reports in TTS. So for instance, let's say I want the last year. For all. Now let's make it Steve, and we click on views and we give it a name. And we've also given you a checkbox, so if you want to share this with the entire company, once I click Save View, if I have this box checked, everyone will have this report in their drop-down list. If I leave it unchecked, it'll just be per user. So let's leave it alone for that. We'll hit Save View, and now you'll notice down at the bottom you have the ability to choose that. So if I navigate away, I want to come back, you just click on Views, and you can choose the saved reports. And if you need to delete that, you click the X box, it prompts you confirmation, and you click OK. And that's it. So now we have the ability to save or print reports in 3 formats, as well as save the current views. There you have it, our Power BI updates that gives you much more power to look at your data. If you have any questions, please send an email to asktts@tradetechsolutions.com. And we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.